Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a cylinder command is discussed here. Okay, today wireframe and surface design is a lecture is discussed here, and this command is discussed here. And today a completely discuss here cylinder command. Okay, at first open a CATIA software. Okay, this body is a okay, and going to wireframe and surface design. Okay, this is a sphere, this is a sphere, and this is a cylinder. And sphere is previous lecture is discussed here, and today is discussed here cylinder. Okay, and at first any sketch any point is a anywhere drawing here. Okay, this point is drawing a sphere, and this is a okay, this point is a drawing here and exit. Okay, and use a sphere, this point and any plane is drawing here. This is a plane is ZX plane, and click here, this is a click here, this is a sphere. Okay, and also sphere is a use, and then use a okay, this point is a YZ plane, and this is a sphere is drawing here. Okay, and then also use a point, and then use a XY plane is select here, this is a correct. Okay, and point is a select here sketch, and direction is a XY plane. Okay, and parameters is radius is 20 mm is default value is setting here, and length is first length is 20 mm, and also second length is a 20 mm. Okay, merge command is both is equal. Okay, radius and length is equal, but unclick here, and this is a length first is 20 and length second is 0. Okay, length is first is increase, and this is a downward is also increase. Okay, length first is upward and length second is downward. Okay, and okay, and radius is also increase, then okay, this is a increase. Okay, and this increase. Okay, this is a height is length is increase, and this is a increase, height downward is increase, this is a upward is increase. Okay, this is a 70, and this is a okay 40, and this is a 40. Okay, radius is 40, and length upward, length first is 70 and length second is downward is a 40. Okay, this is a correct, and click. Okay, this sphere is a use. Okay, and okay, this is a correct. And this wireframe and surface design is very important lecture is a this lecture is a cylinder. Okay, and material is a select here, and this is a wood, stone, wood is a correct, this is a correct. Okay, this body is a correct, and this is a also correct. Okay, this body and this is a correct, and this is a also correct. Okay, this is a nice, this is a perfect, body is a perfect. Okay, Okay, this looking is a nice, and this zoom in, this body is a correct, and a sphere is drawing here. Okay, and zoom in, this body is a correct. Okay, okay, and this isometric view is drawing here, and this is a perfect. Okay, okay, but this body is a correct. Okay, guys, sphere command is discussed here, and next lecture is coming soon. Guys, I hope you will learn this command is very easily and carefully. Guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment, and you get a suggestion. Okay, and guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.